buddy. How you doing? Sitting up? You gonna talk? What's Turtle doing? Has that got tags on it? Has he got handles? Brayden. You're doing a good job sitting up. You're getting so strong. Whoa! You gonna fall over or you gonna sit up? Move your leg. Here. Can you sit up for a second by yourself? Can you sit up? What if you want something, huh? What are you saying? Okay. About to drop you. Drooly face. Drooly face. You got drooly face. You got a drooly face. A doo-doo. About ready to go? Go say goodbye? Say goodbye for now. Yeah. Goodbye for now. Gotta go wipe my chin. I got drool all over it. Probably see a new tooth pretty soon. And that? Alright, bye-bye, Brayden. You say bye-bye? Baby. Uh-oh. Okay, bye-bye.